How to deposit money in Polymarket. Once you sign into your Polymarket account, in the top right corner you should see a blue deposit button. Click on it and you will see the different deposit methods. You can transfer crypto, you can deposit with a card which is going to have a limit of $50,000 and is going to add the funds into your account within 5 minutes. You can deposit with a bank transfer which is going to come into your account in 1 to 2 business days and has no limit. You can connect the different exchanges here, such as Kraken, Binance, Coinbase, and also you can deposit with PayPal, and that is going to have a $10,000 limit and come within 5 days. So depending on your deposit method, let's say that we want to deposit with a card, we're just going to click on it. Then here you will need to choose your currency and also the amount which you want to deposit. So for example, I'm just going to do 10 euro, and here you can choose which provider you use. If they have different taxes, here it's going to show you and display the different taxes. So I'm just going to leave it as it is, give it some time here to load, and then click on continue. In this case, it's going to refer us to MoonPay, and it's going to ask us how much we want to buy, and some of these providers will have a minimum, as you can see right here, and continue with the US dollars. So depending on your different providers, you may need to create a new account or sign into an existing account, but basically you will go through the prompts, and that is how you add money to your Polymarket account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.